Hi everybody, my name is MrSteam. I work in technical support with MrSteam, and today we're going to look at how to install 3 accessories into a MrSteam generator that has an MrSteam3 controller. Those 3 accessories are the Chromasteam3, AudioSteam3, and Steam Links. Here we see the accessories with all their components mounted on the wall behind me. Let us assume that each accessory has been properly connected to its respective components. Now all we have to do is figure out how to connect them to the generator. On their own, all 3 of these accessories would connect with the same connector on the PC board. Obviously, they can't do this all at the same time, so let me introduce the daughter board. This daughter board is packaged with the Chromasteam3. This plugs into the PC board, giving you 2 connectors where the PC board has only 1. First, peel off this film, revealing this sticky tape. Stick this daughter board right here next to the PC board in the generator. Locate this white connector on the PC board. Take this plug like so, with the wires pointed towards the back of the generator, and slide it down over the white connector on the PC board, pressing it in good and tight. Now we still have 3 accessories, but only 2 connections on this board. We combined 2 of them. Now this here is the cable from the Chromasteam that should plug into the PC board. As it happens, this box here, extender box A for the AudioSteam3, has a way to receive this cable. Simply unscrew the 4 screws from the cover of this box and remove the cover. Now, it's very easy to insert your Chromasteam plug right here, lay it through this notch here, and then screw the cover back in. Take the cable that's hanging from the AudioSteam extender box A and put it through the punch-out hole on the right side of your generator. Now, slide it over the first white connector in the daughter board. Now, you still have your Steam Links to go. Take the wire with the white plug coming from your Steam Links A, put it through the punch-out hole like so, and slide that white plug over the other white connector on the daughter board. Now you're ready to close up your generator, plug everything into the appropriate wall outlets, turn on the generator from your MrSteam3, download your Steam Links app, and make sure everything works. This is MrSteam. Thanks for watching.